Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast skillet that includes potatoes and eggs. The ingredients that you will need are some potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes, 1 whole onion, or you may use half of it, about 2 bell peppers, 2 eggs, and for the seasonings you will need garlic powder and paprika, also salt and pepper. The first step is to quickly wash your potatoes and then start peeling them all. And then you will cut them into bite-sized pieces. Once they are all cut, go ahead and set aside until ready to use. The next step is to prepare the bell peppers, so go ahead and cut it in half and then start deseeding it. Then you're going to chop them up finely into bite-sized pieces. You may decide to use half of a bell pepper or the whole thing. Then go ahead and take your onion. I decided to just use half of the onion and start peeling it and chop them up finely. Now that the vegetables are all prepared, go ahead and get a skillet and on medium-high add some oil. Then you will add the potatoes and cook for about 3 minutes on each side. You may also cover so that it can cook quicker. After about 10 minutes, go ahead and move the potatoes to the edges. And in the center of the skillet, add some more oil and add the bell peppers and onions. Go ahead and give it a quick mix and add the garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix to combine. Spread your potatoes evenly on the skillet and then add some more oil. Then crack the eggs on top of it. Cover and let cook for about 5 minutes. Check to make sure that your eggs are fully cooked. The whites should be solid, and if you like your yolk runny, then this is perfect. Otherwise, you can cook for a little bit longer. And then you're ready to serve. You can add some hot sauce such as sriracha or Cholula. Enjoy!